Imagine waking up in a city where church bells once rang. Mosques now echo with prayer, and modern cafes sit beside ancient ruins. A city where you can have breakfast in Europe and dinner in Asia, all in the same day. Sounds unreal, right? But this place is real, and it's called Istanbul, Turkey. Today, on Across the World, I'll show you the best things to do in Istanbul, a city that feels like many worlds in one. Istanbul is not just another travel destination. It's a living museum. This city has been the capital of the Byzantine Empire, the heart of the Ottoman Empire, and today. One of the most vibrant cities in the world. What makes Istanbul special is not just its history. It's how affordable and exciting the exciting still is. So, whether you love history, food, culture, or photography, Istanbul has something unforgettable waiting for you. Let's begin. 1. Walk through history at Hagia Sophia. There are famous buildings. And then there's Hagia Sophia. Standing here feels like standing inside time itself. Built more than 1,500 years ago, this masterpiece has survived empires, wars, and centuries of change. Look up. The massive dome seems to float in the air. Look closer. Christian mosaics and Islamic calligraphy exist together in perfect harmony. And the best part? Entry is free. Very few places in the world offer this level of history without costing anything. 2. Experience peace at the Blue Mosque. Right across Hagia Sophia stands the Blue Mosque. From the outside, it's powerful and grand. From the inside, it's calm and peaceful. Soft carpets, blue tiles, sunlight passing through hundreds of windows. Even if you're not religious, this place makes you slow down and reflect. Once again, free entry. Live like a sultan at Topkapi Palace. Now imagine living like a ruler. Topkapi Palace was home to Ottoman sultans for centuries. Inside, you'll explore royal chambers, sacred relics, treasure rooms, and stunning. Views over the Bosphorus ticket $15 to $20. But the experience feels priceless. This is where power, luxury, and history meet. 4. Get lost in the Grand Bazaar. Welcome to one of the world's oldest shopping centers. The Grand Bazaar is more than a market, it's an adventure. Over 4,000 shops, endless colors, sounds, and smells. You'll find handmade carpets, Turkish lamps, spices, and sweets, leather, goods, and souvenirs even, I think. Just walking here is unforgettable. And remember, bargaining is expected. 5. Cross continents on a Bosphorus cruise. This is something truly unique. Take a ferry or cruise along the Bosphorus Strait and sail between Europe and Asia. You'll see Ottoman palaces, waterfront mansions, mosques, and modern skylines. Public ferries cost just $2 to $5, while longer cruises cost $15 to $30. Few experiences in the world offer so much for so little money. 6. Taste Istanbul. Through its food, you cannot understand Istanbul without tasting its food. Start with simit for breakfast, $1. Doner kebab, $3 to $5. Lahmacun, Turkish-style flatbread, baklava, sweet, rich, unforgettable. End your day with Turkish tea or strong. Turkish coffee, a full local meal costs $8 to $15 in many European cities. That's just the price of a coffee. 7. Explore Istanbul's neighborhoods. Istanbul is best explored on foot. Walk through Sultanahmet for history, Karachi for cafes and street art, Balat for colorful houses and photos, Istiklal Street for shopping and nightlife. Each neighborhood feels like a new city. That's the magic of Istanbul. 8. Relax at a traditional Turkish hammam. After all that walking, it's time to relax. Visit a Turkish hammam, a traditional bath experience. Steam rooms, warm marble, professional scrubbing. Prices range from $25 to $50, depending on how traditional or luxurious you go. It's not just relaxation, it's culture. Budget breakdown Istanbul. Trip, let's talk numbers. Flights $400. $700, depending on location and season. From USA, hotels budget $40, $60 night, mid-range $80, $120 night. 5 nights mid-range approximately equals $450. Food $15, $25 per day. 5 days approximately equals $100. Activities and attractions $100, $150 total. Transport, public transport card approximately equals $25. Total estimated cost. Budget trip $900, $1,000. Comfort trip $1,100, $1,300 for a world-class city. That's incredible value. Best time to visit Istanbul, best months. April to June, September to October, pleasant weather, fewer crowds. Winter is cheaper. Summer is lively, but hot. Istanbul is not just a place you visit. It's a place you feel. History, culture, food, and affordability. Few cities in the world offer this much in one destination. So if Istanbul is on your travel list, don't wait. If you want a full detailed Istanbul travel guide, comment below. Istanbul full guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and travel across the world with me. See you in the next adventure. Safe travels.